Are you currently a salon owner that just feels like you're doing everything on your own, you have no help, and you just feel like you're the sole responsible person for running the salon by yourself? Hi guys, I'm Sean Stearns with the High Performance Salon Academy, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to solve the problem of feeling like you're all alone and running your salon. The top thing that's really gonna help you get what you need and the help you need within the salon is building a championship leadership team. So how do we do that? Well, step one is honestly identifying to yourself that you need help and you don't have to do it on your own. Second, to pick your leadership team, it's important to identify anyone within your staff, and it could be at any level, at any position, but people within your staff that buy into why your salon does what it does. And so on that note, if you're not really clear on your salon's vision and mission, get a clear vision and mission of the salon and portray that to the potential leadership members of your team. Put a team together of like-minded individuals that buy into your mission, buy into your vision, and that can effectively portray that to the rest of your team. Then you set them up with individual roles and responsibilities, and that is how you build a championship leadership team and take all the responsibility off of yourself. Now, if you can take away 3 things from this video, here are the 3 things we want you to really take away. Identify a clear vision for your salon. Identify members within your salon that share that same vision. Give those members clear positions, clear roles and responsibilities. And that is how you start to build a championship leadership team. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more.